Hello everyone. Today I start test 1, thermodynamic test 1. So first question is, the fixed mass or region in space where focused our attention for thermodynamic analysis is called. We know fixed mass or region where we attention for thermodynamic analysis is called thermodynamic system. A system in which both heat and mass transfer takes place is called heat and mass both transfer. This is called open system. A closed system is defined as the system in which closed system means mass transfer 0. Heat can across the boundary but mass can't across the boundary. Option A is correct. Number 4. Ice kept in a well insulated thermoflask is an example of which system? Well insulated thermoflask means no heat transfer and no mass transfer. This is called isolated system. Question 5. A control volume is, control volume means open system, and control mass system is the closed system. So open system means a fixed region in space where mass, work and heat can across the boundary of the system. Option D is correct. तो तुम लोग भी करते रहो, लगाते रहो, कौन सा होगा जल्दी जल्दी. Flow through a supersonic nozzle. Nozzle is the example of open system. Coffee, a hot coffee stored in a well insulated thermoflask. फिर से thermoflask. Thermoflask means no heat transfer, no mass transfer. This is an example of isolated system. ठीक है. Number 8. When neither mass nor energy is allowed to across the boundary. Mass transfer 0, energy transfer 0. This is called isolated system. Here one option is the universe. Why not B option is correct? Because universe is also a isolated system. So option A is correct. Which one of the following represent open thermodynamic system? Open means mass transfer takes place. So centrifugal pump. B option is correct. Bump kilometer. What is the use of bump kilometer? This is used for measuring calorific value. Pressure cooker. Pressure cooker, which type of system? Open and closed, both. Because when valve is open, this is the open system, and when valve is closed, this is the closed system. And ice cream freezer, ice cream freeze करने वाला, तो वो closed system. When in highly rarefied gas is the concept of this not law validity for continuum. Continuum concept is used for highly rarefied gas. Highly rarefied means no void, no gap. So option A is correct. In engineering thermodynamics, the approaches towards the matter is, generally we study the engineering thermodynamics, which approach is used macroscopic. So option A is correct. Energy of an isolated system is, isolated system, no energy transfer from inside or not from outside, so remains constant. Option C is correct. Question number 13. The value of an extensive property is essentially depend on. Extensive means depend on mass. So option A is correct. Which one of the following is the property of system? The property of system means point function, temperature, pressure, internal energy, volume, density, all are the property. So option D is correct. And which is the not a property of system? Heat and work. Heat, work is the not the property of system. One more, entropy generation. Entropy generation is also not a property of system. Yeah, always remember, heat, work and entropy generation is not a property of system. Thermodynamics primarily deals in the change of state from, not form from. Generally, we study in thermodynamics transformation of heat to work. So option C is correct. Dash is 16. Question number 16. Dash is not a property of system. Not a property system. Heat, work and entropy generation. So option C is correct. 17. Heat and work are path function. Path function is not a property. So heat and work is the path function, and heat and work also a not a property. If heat and work is a point function, then heat and work should also a property, but heat and work is not a property, so it is a path function. Option C is correct. Property of system is option B, point function. Question number 18, B is correct. Question number 19. This question is asked in ISRO VSSC at 2018. Consider flowing product entropy, temperature, volume, specific heat at constant volume. Which above the property is the extensive? Which is extensive? Temperature is the intensive means what? Such as assume a density. If we use 1 kg of water or 1 gram of density not change. The density is constant. So the density is the intensive property. Those property which change with mass, this is called extensive. So here extensive property is only entropy, and fourth is the specific. All specific is the intensive. I told. Which one of the following is the extensive property of system? Extensive property of system. Which is extensive? Simply volume. Option A is correct. So thank you.